Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Fundamental Duties. First question: by which Amendment Act the fundamental duties of citizens is included in Indian Constitution? Option A 42nd Amendment Act. Option B 44th Amendment Act. Option C 56th Amendment Act. Option D 73rd Amendment Act. Answer: 42nd Amendment Act. Second question: in which of the following years the fundamental duties have been added to the existent fundamental rights in the Constitution of India? Option A 1965, Option B 1976, Option C 1979, Option D 1982. Answer: Option B 1976. Third question: protection of wildlife comes under which of the following in Constitution of India? First one fundamental duties, second one directive principles, third one seventh schedule. Select the correct option from the following quotes below. Option A only 1 and 2, Option B only 2 and 3, Option C only 1 and 3, Option D 1, 2 and 3. Answer: Option D 1, 2 and 3. Fourth question: the fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution in which year? Option A 1970, Option B 1972, Option C 1975, Option D 1976. Answer: Option D 1976. Fifth question: which amendment bill made the number of fundamental duties from 10 to 11? Option A 42nd, Option B 44th, Option C 82, Option D 86. Answer: Option D 86. Sixth question: the Swaran Singh Committee recommended Option A the Constitution of State Level Election Commission, Option B Panchayati Raj reforms, Option C inclusion of fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution, Option D interlinking of Himalayan and Peninsular rivers, Option C inclusion of fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution. Seventh question: which among the following is not a fundamental duty of a citizen? Option A respect for the Constitution, Option B respect for the national flag, Option B respect for the national anthem, Option D respect for the government. Answer: Option D respect for the government. Eighth question: when I respect the ideals and institutions of our Constitution and respect national flag and national anthem, perform which of the following? Option A exercise my right to freedom, Option B exercise my cultural and educational rights, Option C exercise my right to constitutional remedies, Option D perform my fundamental duties. Answer: Option D perform my fundamental duties. Ninth question: which among the following were inserted in the Constitution of India on recommendations of Swaran Singh Committee? Option A fundamental rights, Option B directive principles of state policy, Option C fundamental duties, Option D 12th schedule. Answer: Option C fundamental duties. 10th question: in which among the following parts of the Constitution of India are enshrined the fundamental duties? Option A Part 3, Option B Part 3A, Option C Part 4A, Option D Part 4. Answer: Option C Part 4A. 11th question: Which among the following amendments added the fundamental duties as per recommendations of Sardar Swaran Singh Committee? Option A 38th, Option B 40th, Option D safeguarding the public property, developing scientific temper, and promoting communal harmony come under which of the following? Option A fundamental rights, Option B DPSP, Option C fundamental duties, Option D none of the above. Answer Option C fundamental duties. 13th question. In which year fundamental duties of citizens were introduced by 42nd Amendment? Option A 1975, Option B 1976, Option C 1977, Option D 1980. Answer Option B 1976. 14th question. How many fundamental duties are in the Indian Constitution? Option A 9, Option B 11, Option C 12, Option D 20. Answer Option B 11. 15th question. Fundamental duties are mentioned in the following part of the Constitution of India. Option A Part 3, Option B Part 4, Option C Part 4A, Option D Part 6. Answer Part 4A. 16th question. Fundamental duties do not enjoy any. Option A social sanction, Option B moral sanction, Option C legal sanction, Option D political sanction. Answer Option C legal sanction. 17th question. By what term 10 commandments of 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act are called? Option A fundamental rights, Option B fundamental duties, Option C Panchayati Raj principles, Option D directive principles of state policy. Answer Option B fundamental duties. 18th question. Under which of the following Constitution of India is not a fundamental duty? Option A to vote in public election, Option B to develop in the scientific temper, Option C to safeguard the public property, Option D to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideal. Answer Option A to vote in public elections. 19th question. The chapter on fundamental duties includes Option A duty to cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our freedom movement, Option B duty to vote in general election, Option C duty to promote the sense of fraternity among the people, Option D duty to stick to the political party on whose ticket was contested election. Answer Option A duty to cherish and follow the noble ideas that are inspired on our freedom movement. 20th question. Which article of the Indian Constitution enumerates fundamental duties of Indian Constitution? Option A Article 50A, Option B Article 50B, Option C Article 51A, Option D Article 51B. Answer Option C Article 51A. 21st question. Which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? Option A to respect the national anthem, Option B to safeguard the public property, Option C to protect monument and place of public importance, Option D to protect monuments and natural environment. Answer Option C to protect monuments and place of public importance. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Welcome to Wings of Fire Dream.